Computer science videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to use Microsoft PowerPoint on a Mac computer. Tutorial 22, removing comments. Without further ado, let us start the videos. On this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft PowerPoint. We can now start the tutorial. Let's now go over onto the dock, go to Finder, navigate to the OneDrive folder, click on work.pptx. Double click on this. Let's just wait for the file to load. In the meantime, we can minimize Finder for the moment. And now on the right hand side of the screen, we see comments that we added in the previous tutorial. Let's just click on X to get out of this. Go to the left hand side navigation menu. Click on one where we have in the speech bubble. Yep, comments. Now we can remove. Click on the three dots in the right top corner. Show thread options, delete the thread, and the comments will now be removed. Click on the X, and as you can see, there used to be a speech bubble on the right top corner of the slide, no longer available. No longer available on the left hand side of each slide or the slide we are in particular talking about. So we can now quit PowerPoint. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on the next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for computer science videos from the start until now.